Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Celestia. Wanted to do a full update because Celestia has been one of the most bullish cryptos in the last 24 hours. It's one of the only coins that actually managed to not only hold its own after the bearish pressure that was existent yesterday, but also break out. All right, you can see Celestia, like the main resistance level it was kind of battling with. Was that level around $8? We've been able to break above that. So right now, and I'll show you on the higher time frames here, this is a major bullish breakout. All right, this level right here between $7.5 and $8, as you can see historically, is a very strong level. It's not the last resistance level, but I would say the next main resistance level is at 10 and 10.5. So from the current price, that's a decent gain of about 28 to 25%. So the main question we actually have to talk about here for Celestia, if we want to find out, what's most likely to happen, is we got the breakout. Technically, we got the breakout here on the daily, on the 12-hour time frame. This is a real breakout. So far, we've also seen a nice reaction from 7.8, which is the 236 fib of the entire move down. So that's a very nice, purely a horizontal level. Got a nice reaction from that. But is this going to be a real breakout, or is this going to be a fake out? That's the main question, and that's what I'll try to answer. I mean, if we look at multiple things here, I mean, the markets as a whole are not looking as great as last week, but I do think they're bullish still, right? I'm not saying anything weird with that, I think. But no, I think that's the case. I think Bitcoin here will be able to get up higher. It won't be a massive uptrend anymore like we saw the last couple of weeks, but I do think we're going higher here. So that helps Celestia. Now, Celestia itself is a bit of a strange coin. We had that massive unlock, of course, a month ago. So that doesn't necessarily help with the market cap, and it's also, in general, a very spiky coin. And then something else which I don't really like here, which I'll show you, is that the volume is actually no longer increasing. We had a bit of a bump earlier this morning. There was quite a lot of volatility for Celestia. But the volume has actually dropped down quite a bit since hitting the top 3 days back, since hitting this level for the first time on Sunday. And the volume over this entire period, like this strange formation we have right here, has been going down. And I don't like that. Usually you need volume to actually push up higher. And if Celestia is not able to push up higher here, we're not going to be able to hold this level, and we will drop back down, all right? Especially 7.5. If we fail to hold that, then we can drop down all the way to this level right here between 7 and 6.6, especially that level right here at 6.6, 6.7. So ultimately, volume not looking great. I think the momentum is also not looking great. All right, momentum is no longer increasing. It would not surprise me if we have some if we have some bearish divergences as well, but that I will check out. Yeah, there's bearish divergences as well. So given all of that, do I think we can break out here? This is a beautiful bearish divergence here, as you can see. Right here, there. So with volume that's no longer increasing, with the momentum that's not extremely impressive, with markets that are not as bullish anymore as they were, and with bearish divergences, I'll have to tell you that I will not be buying this. Now, should you short this? No. All right, shorting in these market circumstances is ridiculous work, but I do think it's more likely here that we will actually pull back to levels right here. For now, I do think we're going to be able to hold 7.5 and 7.2 with these market circumstances, consolidate here, and then if we actually do regain some momentum soon, we can still get this move. But that initial drop in that consolidation is what I think is most likely for now. If Bitcoin is also dropping down below 92,000, then I think we're actually going down all the way to this to the top of the previous range right here at 6.6. So how far we drop down here depends on the markets, I think. But I do think it's most likely we will have a pullback here. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.